Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to turn notifications on and off for specific apps and to not receive any notifications for a duration of time. So initially you're going to want to go to Settings, and now we're going to click on Notifications. And now we get a list of all of the apps that we get notifications from. So let's say I want to manage the notifications on my messages. So I click on Messages. And now I have the option to allow notifications or not allow notifications, right? And when I allow notifications, I can customize them. I can make it so that they show up on my lock screen, on my notification center, and my banner just by pressing it. I can change that. And then I can give it a banner style. I can change the sound of the message or the notification and so forth, right? And I can do this for every single application. But if you just don't want to receive notifications at all for a specific amount of time, all you have to do is from the top right corner of the screen, we scroll down, and then right where you see it says focus, we're going to press on that and then press on do not disturb. And then now you will not receive any notifications for the time that you have this on. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.